video. So good morning or evening, afternoon, whenever you're watching this. So in this video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be just styling my knotless box braids. Hopefully before this video you have seen how I installed these box braids. It was my first time doing it and it took some time, but I am definitely enjoying this break of not having to do my hair. They are getting a little old, as you can see by the roots. So lately I've just been taking the opportunity to do different styles to them. When I first installed them, I was just wearing them down, but you know, you want to switch it up before they get too old. So I'm just going to show you guys some of my favorite hairstyles that I have been doing while having these knotless braids in, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Okay, so obviously style number one is wearing it down. Whenever I wear my hair down, I know like this I'm going to show you guys how my hair naturally falls with these box braids. So it naturally falls like to the back like this, but I don't know, that's kind of plain to me. So whenever I wear my box braids down, I kind of just like flip it to the side, and this is kind of like my go-to side. So I just take a lot of hair from this side and just flip it to the side like this. And I do have a little bit of crinkle in my braid, so that just kind of like shows off the crinkle a little bit. And I like tuck it behind my ear so you can see my earrings. Most of the time I'm wearing hoops, but they were gonna get in the way while styling my hair. So yeah, so when I wear my hair down, I like to just flip it to the side. So this is style number one. Really cute. And then, okay, let's go ahead and move on to style number two. So once again, I like to put my ponytails to the side so I can still see my hair and I don't look like a bald eagle. So I kind of flip my head down and pull my hair all the way up like this. So yeah, this is like my little like girly like side ponytail. I think it's really cute. My hair is out the way. It's not pulling on my roots or anything. You can still see my hair. So it's like, you know, your little girly side ponytail. Really cute, really cute. And then throw my little glasses. Cute. On to style number three. Alright, so style number three is my top bun. Once again, just pull all of my hair up to the top. It's probably easier if you just like put your head upside down, but you guys won't be able to see that the way I have my camera propped up. So and I kind of just twist, hold it right here at the root, and just twist my hair like this. Yeah, this is number three, nice bun. All of your hair is pulled up in the back. Really cute. You just want your hair up and out of your way. You can also pull some braids down to make it look cuter. Down like this, which is really cute. Alright, so now on to style number four. So we're gonna go back to wearing our hair down, but instead of all of it being down, flip it over to whatever side you want. Like I said, this is my go-to side. So we're gonna do that and then take just like this. So this is the section I have. So I'm gonna just take this section of my hair, if it wants to cooperate, and just loosely twist it like this, and kind of like make you some like a faux swoop, faux bangs, and just twist that around the end like that, or around the back I mean. And then you just want to take some hair from this side and make that a ponytail. So you're gonna swoop that around, take some hair from this side and connect them in the back. Take your ponytail holder and tie it around. And like I said, I like to create like a faux swoop bang with my look. And I also like to take a piece of hair down from this side. So that looks really cute. This is hairstyle number 4. Really cute. It's like your half up, half down swoop. Now on to hairstyle number 5. So hairstyle number 5 is kind of like a playoff of hairstyle number 4. So this is for more like you have your box braids in and you want to do kind of like an elegant look with your box braids. So we're gonna split our hair kind of more on one side. So like I said, this is my go-to side. So we have about this much hair on this side and about this much hair on my left side. So there's more hair on this side than the right side. I don't know if you guys can tell that through the video, and you can do this kind of like a twist and roll. So you're gonna do like one loose twist and twist it all the way at the bottom. Twist, twist, twist. So you're just twisting the two twists together. So you got a whole bunch of twists basically. So you're gonna twist that all the way to the end and kind of fold the hair. So you're gonna like fold the hair on itself. So like fold it down like this. So you kind of have like a roll. You have a roll on the back of your head. And I let it go. I'm trying to show you guys. But you're gonna just roll that on itself. So you have like a roll in the back of your head. Take some bobby pins and pin that to the back of your head. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So it's kind of like a little like fruit roll up, but it's like really elegant. Like you going to the ball, girl. You going to prom and you got your braids in your head, girl. Wherever you going. But it's like really elegant, out of the way. Cute. This reminds me of like your like 80s, 70s, like your 80s like updos. Like if my hair was like in like a little like short flip bob. That's what this reminds me of. So there you go. Nice cute little elegant look. So that was look number 5 if I'm correct, hopefully. If not, I'll correct it on the video. And now on to look number 6. So this look number 6 is also another one of my, it's like I feel like I love the simple looks, but this is simple, so cute, so me. And it's just 2 little pigtail braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. Also, I don't do this. A lot of these looks I don't do like right down the middle. I don't know, I just, and right down the middle, this is what I mean. Like I'm not gonna do like 2 pigtail braids like this. I don't know. This kind of still gives me like that bang look with whatever hairstyle I do. So my head wasn't meant for down the middle with braids, at least. So you're just gonna start by obviously spinning your hair into 2. You can definitely do your hair in 2 pigtails down the middle to the other side, whatever you want to do. Just showing you guys some of my go-to hairstyles wearing these braids. And then just gonna braid one side all the way down. Next, we're just gonna braid it all the way down and do the same thing on the other side. Now we're done. Now we have our 2 little pigtail braids. This is so cute. Ooh, y'all see this? I missed one, but we just gonna pretend like we didn't see that. But off camera, obviously I would fix it. But unless you like a little tail in the back, girl. Oh my goodness, I'm so done. So you have your 2 little pigtail braids. This is look number 6. Really cute. It makes you look like really like cute, innocent, schoolgirl-ish, you know, cute. And then once again, this is also a hairstyle if you want your hair just up and out of the way. So cute. Now on to style number 7. All right, now style number 7, I don't know what to call this, but I think it's really cute for whatever reason. It's like, I don't know, it's like a bun slash ponytail. That'll make sense, but y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. So you just put your hair down and then you just kind of like flip your hair over like this, and it's like this. And then just let the hair fall over like that. And it's so cute to me. All right, and for hairstyle number 10, we're just gonna flip all of our hair to one side, leave out like one piece over here towards the end if you want, that's optional. And you're just gonna do one big twist. And then once you get, and this style is especially cute in my opinion with textured ends. Obviously it'll still look cute if your ends are straight, but I don't know, for some reason like it just looks really nice to me when you have like wavy ends, curly ends, whatever you did to your the ends of your braids. So you're gonna like stop right before the texture. At least that's what I do. Like I stop so you can still see my wavy texture on the ends of my braids, and just kind of put that in a ponytail. Now you have like this nice jumbo twist and like your little textured ends. Yeah, this is look number 10. Really cute. Just like one big twist, or if you want, you can definitely just twist all of your hair to the end. So it'll be like this, but I don't know, I just like the ends out like that. That looks really girly to me for whatever reason. Alright guys, so that concludes all of the looks that I have for you guys in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments below if you do try some of these styles, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.